Welcome to Solutions. Here, we fix things.
You're such an angel. Customer service is the name, and that is why I do business with them.
We believe your business has great potential, so we want to give you all the help we can.
I saw your brochure, and seriously, my business needs a makeover.
Then you have come to the right place.
We can hide something as sensitive as this from our spouses, then we would have breached their trust.
What? Also, where Nufu?
You are far away from your shop.
I don't want to check. What?
What than 50 CDs?
Yes, I've paid through MTN mobile money.
I'm Patrick and Saka.
It's the little things, my dear.
Little things are also known to ruin big things.
Kofi, please. Let me explain.
What? We are family.
Premium Bank, you are better off with us.
Welcome to the sound of better money. MTN, everywhere you go.
Ghana Revenue Authority, our taxes, our future.